welcome to A Family TV! Yeah! Today we're opening the KidzLabs Volcano Making Kit. It's a 9.5 cm tall solid volcano. Paint and decorate it. Amaze your friends and family with a bubbly, fizzy lava eruption. It's an awesome science project and a cool desktop decoration. Let's open it! Yeah! Open it! Whoa! So cool. Okay. Let's go open it. Whoa! It's a volcano. It's a solid volcano plastic mold. And we're gonna make the volcano out of this stuff. 4 pieces. I don't know what this is, but let's assemble. This is the fine quality plaster mix. This is a paint strip. Put it together. Right? The paint, brush, and stirrer. Rubber bands. This is the eruption chamber. And so I'm putting together the mold. Okay. Me too. Look. This is very easy to do. This is an experiment you can do at home or outside. I'm putting the rubber bands around it so they won't fall apart. It's like a guitar. It's like a guitar. There. Now we have the volcano. I'm dropping the eruption chamber in the middle. Now it's time to make the mold. You might need help from your parents, so call your parents.
Parents. Now we need to cut open the mold mixture and put it in a bowl.
And remember, kids, scissors are dangerous.
Don't read that.
And this might be a little bit messy. Yeah. So you really have to ask a parent for help. Now we will add water. I'll get water. 280 ml. And I'm sure your son or daughter won't understand that. And now we'll mix. You have to mix really, really, really well. It's like milk.
Would you drink that?
No. So do not spill this on anything. Even your clothes, floor, table. Do not spill. It's like milk, Daddy. babies might think this is milk, so keep babies away from this. Mix until it becomes a smooth base. You might want to mix slowly because this might splash.
It's like a splash fountain.
Now we will pour the plaster into the mold.
Now you're going to pour it.
In the volcano. It's concrete.
It's concrete.
We created our own homemade concrete. Okay, now we will open the mold. Ooh, no. It's so hard. It doesn't look exactly how I expected it, but it's okay. We can still paint it. This is what it looks like in the box, painted. And this one, it looks like in real life, but not painted. Now let's paint!
Let's go do it.
Now we're done painting! We choose green color over there for the grass, black for the volcano, and red for the lava. Green on the bottom, black in the middle, red at the top. Now let's make our volcano erupt! Now first we'll add baking soda.
Yeah, me too. Let's add it.
Inside the chamber, or should we call the volcano? Let's put the dish soap. Last, and some red paint. Because, yeah, lava's red, duh. Now let's add the vinegar to let it erupt! Whoa! Whoa! It's exploding! Whoa! 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 It's exploding! Whoa!
It's a volcano zone.
It's a volcano! It's exploding!
Ow, there's a fire.
Help!
We have
It's
a
exploding!
Ah, this was
That was cool!
That was super cool.
That was not very cool!
There's always.
Wow! That is so cool!
Yeah, me too.
Whoa!
Why it's so broken? Why it's so hard?
That's so cool! Boom! That's so cool! Wow!
Whoa,
The
there's
volcano erupted!
also there's smoke.
There was a little bit smoke. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Boom!